Hi, this is Chris from Team 6, and I'm here to present our final project for CPS 630 web applications. Our project is a client for the IBM Rapid Reserve application, which aims to remove employees from designated workstations and give them the ability to choose where they work. While the advantages aren't entirely obvious, having a reservable workspace enables a more social environment, promoting collaboration and teamwork. It also makes a better use of office space, ensuring that unused workstations can be used by other employees. For example, Jim from tech support comes in the office for a few hours in the morning, and Bob from marketing comes in the afternoon. Rapid Reserve enables Jim and Bob to use the same working space for their daily routines. You can imagine this would scale well with more employees, and Rapid Reserve is essentially the framework that would enable potentially thousands of Jims and Bobs to share their workspace in the same situation. This translates to potentially huge savings in real estate spending. In the case above, you would need twice as many workstations to fully satisfy your workforce. So now that you know what Rapid Reserve is all about, I'm going to show you our BlackBerry client for the application. IBM currently uses a web-based interface and a kiosk in the actual locations where you can book your workstations as you come into the office. But one of the features that people constantly ask for is having this on a mobile phone, and the BlackBerry is a very known enterprise device, so building it for the BlackBerry was the logical choice. So I'm just going to start up the application here. Just like any regular application. We pick it out. In this case, it's IBM RR. And you can see here that we're prompted for a username and password, and it remembers the last one logged in. So I just click log in, and quickly just by looking, there's very obvious labels at the top: booking date, location, seat, start time, and end time. And right now it's the current time and date, so the BlackBerry thinks it's the 7th, which is a Tuesday. So we can go down to our calendar sort of field here and pick out the bookings that we have. So you can see that the first one is well, actually all of them are for 120 Bloor Street and seat number 337. So you can see that the colors represent the locations here. So if I were to make another booking, just say like this, and you want to go somewhere else, 79 Wellington. It actually picked a fairly random color because 79 Wellington wasn't booked by this user before, but we have the option of actually changing the color. So let's go to Preferences by clicking on the menu, and we're going to go down here to Wellington, make it a bluish color. So you can see here that it's a very good visual cue for the user because you can distinguish where you have to go in case you have a very busy schedule. And just about everything is customizable by going to the preferences here. So the background, highlights, and other stuff. So you can see all the places that this user has actually worked at, and you can customize all the colors as you wish. So let's change blue to something else. And now it's all good. So if I'm going to go to my account here, you can see I have a pretty busy week, and let's say I want to cancel some places, so I'm just going to cancel all these. Steele's booking. And let's cancel this one as well. So we just click on the menu with a booking selected, and since it's context aware, it will just pick out the right choice for you. Wrong button there. Okay, so let's say I want to make a booking Tuesday to Thursday, and I want to keep this one here with 44 capital. So I just drag out, and let's say I want to make my Wednesday and Thursday bookings a bit long, so I just click. You can see that the one at the top is not actually changed. And let's say I want to go to 124. And also notice that the seat that my previous user booked is not actually available for me to choose. So just click here. and it's booked. So you can see that I have 5 bookings at Anthony Bloor for this week, and the Monday of the next week, since today is Tuesday. So that's pretty much our application. It was built to be very easy to use, fast, simple. You don't have to do a lot. You don't have to surf through menus or screens to pick out what you want to do. You can see that just about everything is a couple of clicks away.